I closed $1 million deal with $0 down, and I'm about to show you exactly how creative financing can make you rich when banks say no. Last year, I was staring at this perfect duplex property that would cash flow $800 monthly, but I had terrible credit and no money for a down payment. Traditional lenders laughed me out of their offices. That's when I discovered seller financing changed everything. I approached the elderly owner who was tired of being a landlord. Instead of asking for a loan, I proposed taking over his mortgage payments plus giving him an extra $200 monthly for 10 years. He got steady income without tenant headaches. I got the property without qualifying for anything. But here's where it gets interesting. I immediately found a tenant buyer who wanted to rent to own. They paid me a $5,000 option fee up front, higher monthly rent, and agreed to buy in 3 years. That option fee covered my first year of payments to the seller. Within 6 months, I repeated this with 2 more properties using subject to agreements where I took over existing mortgages. One seller was facing foreclosure, so I caught up their back payments and took deed. Another property I structured as a lease option where I controlled it for 2 years before purchasing. The game changer was understanding that desperate sellers care more about solving their problems than getting top dollar. I helped a divorce situation by offering a quick close-through owner financing. They needed immediate relief from payments. I needed property without bank approval. Creative financing isn't about tricks or schemes. It's about finding win-win solutions when traditional methods fail. Every property has multiple ways to structure the deal if you think beyond conventional mortgages and focus on solving real problems for real people.